Hey, it's Troy. So in this video, I'm going to be doing an update review of the Power Lead System AI funnel. You will decide if it's good or if it's bad. I'm just going to be as honest and transparent as I can be. I encourage you to watch this video through to the end. So if you're sitting on the fence wondering if this is a good move or not, my goal is to make sure that this video helps you to decide. And if this video resonates with you, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know you're getting some value from it. I have been a Power Lead System. Really, this was the first positive opportunity that I got involved in when I started marketing online a little over a decade ago. So I have a love for the Power Lead system. I know the ins and outs. I know how it works. I was a customer and an affiliate. And recently, within the last few months, I stopped promoting it as an affiliate and I chose to remain a customer and I have access to the products. So, here's the truth. As great as the Power Lead system is, I've learned a lot regarding marketing. I took the time to study the training and the videos. I've gotten incredibly good at creating marketing funnels, lead capture pages that convert, sales videos, email marketing, right? Effective email marketing strategies. So I'm eternally grateful for those things. However, when it comes to PLS and the AI funnel, that they're behind the eight ball, in certain respects, and I commend them for getting really started with AI, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done, and because so many people are AI crazy right now, majority of people, in my opinion, don't want to take the time to learn all of the things that PLS can teach you, right? So we're at a deficit. Now, here's the thing. And I decided to do this video because I wanted to point something out that I found in the Power Lead System group. And it was a comment that ended up getting a lot of feedback, right? So, for instance, this post, let me see if I could pull this up. Here's what this post mentioned: anyone getting any sales from the latest AI co-op? Right now, feedback is very important because you get to know if something is really working or not. And here are some of the responses. I am in both the first and second co-ops as I feel that they should produce the best results given that they are being run by people who know the industry better than me. However, my experience so far suggests that solo ads are better value. Only time will tell. Well, the co-op within itself is a solo ad. It's just specific vendors that are being used. And here's another comment. I'm not sure what to think yet, but I guess we need to wait 10 days for the follow-up sequence. All right, one positive comment. I'm still getting sales from the first co-op. Neil and the guys are killing it, right? And then let's scroll down here. Here's another comment. How many sales have you gotten? No one else seems to be having any results. Here's another comment. I've had no sales from the first co-op, not even an opt-in. I've had results from buying solo ads. I will come back and update if that changes. Glad you asked this question because I've been curious as well. Da 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 da. All right. Here's another one. I got All right, same here, no sales or opt-ins from the first co-op. My second co-op just started 2 days ago with a higher package. Now I'm going to talk about that in a minute. I hope this has better results. I almost always get sales and opt-ins from solo ads, but they drop off fast, making me wonder if they are fake accounts that just sign up for the trial, then cancel. So that by the time this happens, you've already left a good review for the vendor. Okay, so let's talk about this, right? Because I think this is very, very important, and I'm just going to point out some things in here that you definitely need to know. Um, so here's the truth. The way the co-op is run, it's run according to the number of shares that you purchase. So you need at least $100 to purchase a co-op for one share, and $1,000 to purchase a co-op, which will get you 10 shares. So those with the most shares are going to get the best results. Now, I am pretty sure most people do not have $1,000 that they can continuously invest into traffic and build up a lot of momentum, right? So I think there's a lot of people that are purchasing the one share for $100 and expecting to get a lot more results, even though they tell you in the power lead system, the more shares that you purchase, the better your results are going to be. Another thing, the way the co-op is run, you don't get leads from the co-op for you to keep. The leads are built inside the co-op. So when sales are made, it's really due to the prospect landing on your co-op share in your sales page at a specific time. So it has a lot to do with luck. Um, Personally speaking, I think the reason why people would prefer buying their own solo ads is because they keep their leads. They can build a relationship, build rapport with those leads over time. That's what I think is happening. And as far as the PLS AI funnel goes, it is a great system for marketing. I mean, realistically, who wouldn't want an AI bot to call, text, and follow up with your people, right? Interested people. So the concept is really good, and I think some folks considering this may want to give PLS a fair shake at this just because this is something that's brand new, even though the creator of the AI system is a very, very successful marketer, and I think he's got a very awesome system in place. But this is not for everyone. Not everyone can afford this. When it comes to buying traffic, you have to keep in mind these are people that don't know you, and you have to consistently continue buying traffic if you want things to really expand as far as your business goes. So it's not for everyone. Most people don't have $1,000, whatever, $700, $500 every week or every other week to invest in an AI funnel, hoping that you get signups. Now, one last note, and then I'm going to talk about what I recommend. When it comes to uh, this particular thing, you have to wonder, and this isn't going to change, I don't think, anytime soon. When people join the Power Lead system, they join under a free trial. And most people won't keep it simply because it didn't cost them anything. And if it didn't cost them anything, they don't have any real reason to take it seriously. So yes, if you get 10 shares and you purchase 1,000 a 1,000 co-op ad purchase, if you end up getting 7 or 8 sales as a result of that, understand the majority of those trial takers are going to drop off. And then this is coming from someone with lots of experience. So you got to decide if it's a good deal for you or not. Now, here's what I recommend. And this is something brand new. It is 100% free for you to join. And the only upsell inside of this system is a pro membership, which literally comes out to about $1 a day, $30 a month. When I saw this, I became a pro member and I stayed with it. Now, at the time of me shooting this video, there is no affiliate attachment. It's not like there's a residual connection. So I am legitimately sharing this with you because it works. And, I don't have a financial investment behind this that will pay me from the product itself. You create a free account. This offers you the ability in 1 minute to create a free digital business card. And when you create your free digital business card, you're able to add your business links, your websites, your social media links, right? So, giving you an example, if I click on my social media link, I've got the most used social media profiles that I have. So if any people click on these, they can immediately connect with me. So you can include all of your social media. You can include your BizOp links. You can include your contact information and share that with other people in just one click. Now, why am I sharing this with you? Look, personal branding is where it is today. Marketing is always evolving, and personal branding, will either lead you to the top 5%, which we know on social media are known as influencers, or, you just have to focus on building your brand. And I've had a lot of success in the very short amount of time that I've been using this, because even though it's not buying leads or buying traffic or any of that stuff, when people send me a message, and I'll use this as an example. When they send me a message on, let's say, Facebook, they send me a friend request. I accept. 30 seconds later, I get a message in my messenger. A 3-page long-ass paragraph about this amazing new company that just came out. It's the next best thing to sliced bread. Why it's going to be $1 billion company. So they share all this information. And my only response is I let them know, hey, thanks for sharing that information. To be completely honest, I do not talk business on social media. May I send you my contact information so you could tell me more? Now, what do you think I'm going to send them? I'm going to send them this Cardly link, right? So when they land on this, I'm instantly positioning myself to build rapport and develop a relationship with them. So the very first thing that they're going to see is this Start Here video. When they click that video, I'm introducing myself. I'm letting them know if they have a business, they can create their very own free Cardly account. It takes about a minute. I share with them, they can put their business opportunities, their contact information, their social media links on one site, do it for free. And then I'm sharing with them with my instant cash system here, how if they are looking for ways to make money online, they could make several hundreds of dollars per day, right? Instant commissions, instant profits paid directly to them. And these buttons are interchangeable. So You've got AI tools for business. You've got, in my case, I'm sharing with them how they can get USA based free leads. And then I have several ways for them to be able to contact me. So they can reach out to me on Zoom. They can reach out to me on social media, as I mentioned. They could send me an email. They could call or text me. The purpose of this is to build rapport. And I'm going to tell you something. In just my first month of using this, I ended up making 9 sales that I would not have made had it not been for me giving away something for free of tremendous value that starts building that relationship, right? While everybody else is using social media, talking about their business, how great it is. If you have $500, you should invest it. They're all sharing the opportunity instead of sharing a solution that will fix 93% of the problems that most home business owners and marketers face. I hope that makes sense. So how do you get access to creating your own free cardly? Very simple. When this video is over, which will be in the next minute or so, you're going to go to my YouTube channel, click on my channel link for Cardly, and create your free account. That's how you would do this. The other thing that I'm going to point out, if this video made sense, it resonated with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And what does the pro membership have that the free membership doesn't have? Again, I pay roughly $30 a month, but there is a built-in lead finder tool that is sensational. It comes with copy and paste scripts, something that you can use on social media. This thing pulls in free leads off of Google Maps, all the major social media sites. And the very first time that I use it, it took about a minute and a half for me to pull in 61 leads. Contact information, name, phone numbers, email addresses, whatever. So the pro level has that, as well as other bonuses, but you can remain a free member forever. It really doesn't matter, and whatever you choose doesn't affect me either way. It's just, I think this is a much better option for most people. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.